I'm going to teach you how to do this really elegant, low, curled updo. I love this for pretty much any formal look, especially weddings. If you're a bridesmaid, even if you're a bride and you're trying to save some money, I just love it. I have a lot of fun with this. This is really my go-to for this low look that a lot of brides ask for. And I did my cousin's wedding with this look, and I had so many women come up to me at her wedding and say, I wish I hired you for my wedding. And that was a huge compliment. And really the skills are pretty simple, so I'm going to share them with you. But I just think it's super pretty. So I hope you enjoy it. So to do a low updo, a low, loose, kind of, I don't know, whimsical updo, you're going to start with a curl base, much like the heartless curl look that I uploaded to YouTube earlier. You can starting out for the updo, you're going to take the front of your hair and just leave it out for now. So right about where your ears are, right at the back of your ears, you're going to leave all this out. You're going to take the back of your hair and pull it into a low ponytail. After you have the back in a low ponytail, you are going to take your bobby pins, and I'm using the front section of my hair as an example because it's easier, but then I'll show you how to do the back. You're going to pick up little sections about this size, pinch a bobby pin onto it, and then twist it and then pin it. So I'll show you what that looks like in the back from the ponytail. Small section. Like so. Twist. And this may seem a little bit weird the first couple sections, but the more that you go, the more you will notice that it'll come together kind of like a puzzle. See how that looks? It's kind of curly and everything's pinned in different places. If you feel like the bobby pins are loose, then you can take extra bobby pins and push them in underneath the bun across the other bobby pins to secure it. So that's kind of what the back looks like. Really good base. Just take this. I like to give it a little twist, like so. You can see the lower half of your ears but not the top. I really like that for this look because I just think it's more elegant. So then to kind of wrap it up, you have these loose hairs here and here. I like to just kind of almost shake the hair until it all forms together, like so, and then kind of twist the hair a little bit to where it wraps up naturally. Just push it up into the bun and then cross a bobby pin where that other bobby pin was. Same thing on this side. Maybe you don't want this much hair hanging down and you want to pin that up too. Guys think? What kinds of other tutorials would you like to see? Because I have all the time in the world. And then just kind of loosen it up in sections where you want it looser. And finish it off with some hairspray. I'm using the Living Proof Full or Flex hairspray.